What? Oh,
Hey trades, listen up. I should only have to say this once. As a matter of fact, I shouldn't have to say it at all. If you've come to an agreement with a customer to do a project and you've agreed to do the whole project, there should be no excuses other than death or emergency that should cause you to leave a job site unfinished. You don't just pack up and walk out. And if you do, there better be a damn good reason. You arrange a replacement for the remainder of the project, not the customer. That's on you. If there are aspects of that project that you're unfamiliar with or uncomfortable with, then you farm it out ahead of time. If you claim yourself as a service provider, whether it be repairs, renovations, remodels, or general construction, there is no room for landlord specials. When you're done with a step or an aspect of the project, you check, double check, and triple check your work and the work of your crew before moving on to the next step. If your scheduling can't handle it, then don't double book. Don't leave a job for another job. If these are your typical business practices, you should be ashamed of yourself. Treat every project like you're doing it for your mother, your grandmother, or even your daughter. Remember, it's all about word of mouth and integrity. Do better.
damn.